Thinking about a greenhouse, but worried you'll be left standing in the yard with a pile of parts and no clue what goes where? Let's talk about that honestly. Palram-Canopia greenhouses are DIY kits. They're designed to be put together by you at home. No contractor required. In fact, we don't offer installation because these kits are built to go together by following the manual. The larger models are a two-person job, so line up a helper for those. And here's something most people don't realize. The full assembly manual for every greenhouse is right on its product page, free to download before you buy. So you can see exactly what's involved step by step before you spend $1. I won't pretend it's quick. It takes patience. The fiddliest part is sliding the polycarbonate panels into the frame, so wear work gloves for that and safety goggles since the frame is extruded aluminum. Set it on a firm, level base, take your time, and it comes together. The best part? It's not permanent. If you ever move, your greenhouse comes apart and goes right back up at your new place. And if you get stuck along the way, there's real support to help you through it. Not sure which model suits your space or your comfort level? Come see us at Canada Greenhouse Kits. Start a live chat, and a real person will help you find the right fit. Let's get you growing. Find us online at canada-greenhouse-kits.ca. Helping Canadians grow since 2007.